So check this out, guys. Got one for you. This is my shifting arm for my transfer case. Pin broke off, and I can't really find one. So I'm going to clean this up and weld this back on there. So that's what's going to go on today. There you get my flapper disc out, which I think is in here. Put this down in there. Clean this all up. All right, let's get this thing welded. Oh, I need my ground. Little dingleberries on there. There we go. Good as new. I gotta pull this down. Alright, so we got it all welded on there. I'm going to throw a little black paint on it, which is some Rust-Oleum satin paint plus primer. Let that dry a little. Alright guys, we're back. This paste is all dried and ready to go back on. Put this piece back in there. Oh lady, like guys. Well, fella can't fit his hand in there. My wrist don't bend that way. There we go. Let's see if I can get it like this. Yeah, I can get this in there. All right. Push it back. There we go. Back in there. Now hook this back up. Back in there. No. I'll get this dude back on there. There we go. All back in there. Now I'm going to go up and try to shift it. Remember right, this has got to be neutral. All right. Well, that's all done. Now we can get four-wheel low again. Well, thanks for joining me on that adventure. Now we got that taken care of. I can shift it back to four low, see how long that lasts. But thanks for joining me, and I'll touch base to see how long that lasts. I mean, I'm sure it won't break off. It's welded on there pretty good. Hey guys, the transfer case shift linkage fixed. Got it out of here, backed it up, put it in four-wheel low, creeps right in there. It works great. So welding that pin back on there fixed it. I know I found a guy that makes those aftermarket, but I think they were only $9.99, but he wants like $12 shipping. But shipping's more than the part. So I might take one of them off and attempt to make one. But thanks for sticking around. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It really helps out the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Later.